See how far we get putting this back together. It's been rebarred, a bigger piston. And this work was carried out at Robert Crawford's at Gainsborough. And I think the reason why we've had to do this is because either one of the 6 O-rings on the head gasket has maybe gone, or it could be a small hairline crack that we found in the cylinder block, or maybe even just condensation that's maybe just gathered and sat on the cylinder bore, causing the bottom of it to pit, which you can see in this picture here, which has then also managed to catch one of the piston rings as it's been moving and snap it, and I think that's done a bit of damage to the atomizer. And here you can see Mick Harper prepping the cylinder block to be fitted back to the crank. So you've put quite a lot of new stuff on this then?
The easy bits I've used.
So you've put new reed valves on, what else have you done? So would you put this piston ring on that snapped then?
Yeah, that's a lot of years ago put my piston rings on.
Hairline crack.
It's maybe rusty set up.
You can hardly see it on the thing, but it's like there, innit? Goes down there, doesn't it? Can't really see it on camera. Can't really see it there, it's just at left of that weld, isn't it? You can't. You put that rubber back on.
I have to get some of this.
You can hold that if you want. Try not to be, that's it.
Put it down again, Paul. Oh, you're alright. You're alright, huh? We've been watching Fred up. Oh, yeah.
So, just been cleaning out the radiator airline. Quite tidying them up and checking that we've got the right amount of caps on it. Cleaning them up on the block. Looks like drain point on it there. It's full of muck and rust, and so what's top inside of there. Been looking at which side fan bolts on. So this pipe up here is oil pipe going in. It goes through into water bit, if you might have seen front video earlier, and it squirts into the top of piston.
Why won't I do the camera for you?
Yeah, you hold the camera, look. You can see the other side, you can see the inlet inside at the piston there. You can see the piston front there. And this is the old piston that we had. And that's the top. And so the oil pipe there apparently squirts down onto the top of there. Onto this little fancy T-piece. And then it passes oil to cover the piston, which I thought was quite neat. Those are quite neat, isn't it? That's inside Field Marshal 3A. Sounds like it has a bit of compression there, doesn't it? Considering it top thing in. And that's where front drawbar slides into. That's steering arm. That's the big nut that holds it on. Exhaust port. Front tow bar. These are all rubbers that are going to go in between the radiator and the tractor. I think there should be about 16 of them. They're the old ones. Been squashed down. I think they're the old rubber O-rings that have been squashed flat.
Grabbing the oil pump. Anti-clockwise. You'll be able to see over there, I don't think.
We didn't buy much stuff on stuff.
Oh, that's why.
Keep on the way.